Hi everyone. So this is my K-12 kit and today I'm going to work on project number 9, that is LDR Street Light. Make sure you have your torch near yourself because we will need it to test the project. Let's go. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the LDR, then ground to the negative of the LDR, then its output to whichever LED we are going to light, for example the green one, and then its negative to the ground. As soon as I plug it in, you will notice that the light starts to glow. Now, when I will show this light on the LDR, this light will stop glowing. Let's see. This is the exact procedure that the street lights follow. When they notice any sunshine or when the sun shines, the street lights automatically turn off. And this is exactly how they work. And see, our project is done.